right, Joe, go ahead, turn the hydraulics on. All right, let's wrap the head in and out. Let's show the tool. Now bring it back out. I want to show the tool. All right, go ahead, wrap it back out. All right, and then show the clamp. Then we're going to run an automatic cycle. The machine will start and it'll feed out and then stop. It does not automatically retract. Go ahead. That's the end? Okay. All right, go ahead, run it back. All right, let's show the high speed. There's a couple of speed ranges. This is the lowest, and then we'll show the highest. Two-position gearbox, or two levers on the gearbox.
Okay.
Okay.